Hey, how you doing? I'm Chris.
And I'm Cameron.
And we are the hosts of SolarEdge Night Mode. And as you can see, we're moving into our new home and studio.
Absolutely. I'm super excited to be here. It's a much bigger space than we had last time. So we officially have a guest couch. We're going to be able to install cameras in a more permanent location, so you might not have to deal with that. Hey, wasn't that camera angle a little bit different before? But anyway, I digress. I am very excited to be sitting across from my office mate, Chris, here.
Absolutely. It's been pretty difficult to go through and coordinate episodes of Night Mode, not even that, just to record them, when we've been in two different locations, you working from home, me working from home. So being able to coordinate and work here with you, I'm really, really excited about that. And starting 4/23, we're going to start seeing some episodes roll out every other week, Thursdays, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern, starting with You're Grounded.
You're Grounded. So that's going to be, I think, neutral bond grounding. Definitely targeted for installers attempting backup systems. They should brush up on their code. And I think we're going to help with that discussion here, especially when you're looking at partial home backups, because I think that's the biggest topic there. What do I do with my neutral ground bonds? And I think you're also going to maybe get a guest in here for commercial carports.
Yeah, we're going to be talking commercial carports. We're going to be talking about life outside 240 volt single phase, going from 240 delta high legs, all the way through 208, 480, 600 volt, and even 690 volt. We've got some commercial experts that are going to be talking about that, and some folks talking about carport as well. We're also going to be talking about your baby.
Yeah, my favorite thing to talk about, as you guys know, Nexis. I've been in the thick of it with Nexis alpha and beta testing. I'd like to report that we've installed over 1,000 Nexis systems worldwide and over 200 here alone in the United States. And we're getting the official kind of launch version hardware off of our lines in Texas from that manufacturing plant, domestic content made in the U.S., and I'm really excited about it. So we're going to do a wiring video showing everything. How to do your connections, best practices for PV only, PV plus storage plus backup, conduit entrances, where everything is. So when you start your installations, you can hit the ground running and have a leg up on the competition.
Yeah, you'll be able to do that live with us and comment with us as we're doing the installation and have a conversation. We're also going to be rolling out some content for homeowners and folks that are just getting into PV in general. So we're going to be talking about what to expect from a PV system throughout the year, going through each and every season from January through December. We're also going to be talking about what LRA is and how to manage your backup power effectively. A lot of really cool topics coming up starting on 4/23. Really excited to be able to hang out with you again, have a frosty beverage, and have a conversation.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So remember, join us every other Thursday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys around.
Yep, so join us starting on 4/23 every other week. If you have a topic for conversation, make sure to drop it down in the comments, or you can email us at nightmode@solaredge.com. All right, well, it's about time we get back to work and finish setting up the studio. Until next time, thanks for joining us. Thanks for your patience. Stay sunny.
Stay optimized.
Cheers.